Hello, this is Andrew Shaw, Superintendent Mason Consolidated Schools. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate our tax calculator that is online for you to figure out how much of an increase will be on your tax bill for our school bond. The first thing you do is go to our school website, click on Building the Future, Mason Consolidated Schools Bond 2020. On this page, we'll find lots of information. And as you scroll down, you're going to come to the tax calculator section. You have two options. One is you can click on this calculator right here, and that'll guide you through the numbers. Or if you do not know what your taxable value is, click on this link right here. We're going to do that first. So inside here, you put in the address. So today we're going to put in the address of 10608 Dixie. And we're going to click enter. And it shows you all the different areas of Dixie that has that. And we're going to click on Dollar General. Inside here, you can see that Dollar General doesn't show an assessed value or taxable value. What you have to do is go down below and say that I am the current resident or owner of this record, and for free of charge, you can get this information. Get the information in regards to your taxable value, and once you've done so, go back to our school website. Again, you would have to click on to Building the Future. We're going to scroll down, click on the calculator. First thing you have to do is read the disclaimer. The calculations for your estimated net property tax bill after homestead property tax credit in this tax model are estimates only and should not be relied upon as tax advice. To determine the actual impact on your taxes, you will have to complete your state tax return. Please consult your tax account advisor or prepare to determine the actual impact on your taxes. Click accept. Your annual household income. This is all money. So we're going to select $80,000. That's pre-tax. Input your taxable amount here, taxable value, and we're selecting $65,000. This next item right here, you're going to select general, and these are for anyone that's under the age of 65. This is your homestead property, and then you're going to select where you live, and we will select Erie Township. Now calculate the tax impact. Very first column is without the bond proposition, which includes our 2 mil sinking fund. And this is what it would have been on your taxes this past year. And you can see it was $1,786.31. The next one is what will the total amount be? And that is $2,063.21. That's your total tax bill. The increase is $276.90. Or for a month, $23.08, or per day, 76 cents. Again, that is the increase on what you had been paying in your taxes. If you want to have more input or you want to change your inputs, just click on Return to Input Form, and then you can change the numbers there to reflect any other scenarios you want to look at. If there's any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And again, always visit our website for more information. Thank you.